Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to buy crypto. First, you need to choose a reliable cryptocurrency exchange. Look for platforms with competitive fees, a wide selection of coins, and strong security protocols. It's crucial to research their regulatory standing and read user reviews to ensure you pick a trustworthy option. This initial step sets the foundation for a secure and efficient crypto buying experience. Once you've chosen an exchange, the next step is to set up your account. You'll typically start by registering with your email and creating a strong, unique password. Following this, you'll need to complete identity verification, often called KYC, by submitting documents like a government-issued ID. Finally, always enable two-factor authentication to add an extra layer of security to your account. With your account verified, it's time to fund it. You can link a payment method like a bank account or a debit card to deposit funds. Be aware of any minimum deposit requirements the exchange might have. Once your funds are available, head to the trading section. Here, you can select the cryptocurrency you wish to buy and place your order, whether it's for $50 or $5,000. After purchasing, consider how you'll store your crypto. For long-term holdings, a hardware wallet offers superior security compared to keeping assets on an exchange. Always remember that cryptocurrency markets can be volatile, so it's vital to understand the risks and only invest an amount you are comfortable losing. Remember to check the description below for a link to this insightful book, along with other helpful resources and deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.